In the realm of metaphysics, a profound and fascinating exploration awaits us. The journey of how thoughts, those intangible and ethereal entities that reside within our minds, transmute into concrete and tangible realities. While the subject may appear esoteric, we shall endeavor to elucidate this intricate phenomenon, blending depth with clarity. At its core, the metaphysical process of turning thoughts into reality is grounded in the fabric of consciousness itself. Imagine consciousness as a loom, where thoughts are the threads. Each thought, like a filament, has its own unique vibrational signature, much like the notes in a symphony. The loom weaves these threads together, creating the intricate tapestry of our existence. These thoughts are not mere abstractions. They possess a palpable energy, serving as a blueprint for the reality we seek to manifest. Think of it as an architect's detailed plan for constructing a building. Thoughts, imbued with intention and emotion, shape this blueprint, giving it substance and form. Think of your thought as the building blocks of your life. Just as an architect carefully plans a structure, your thoughts play a pivotal role in designing the life you want to create. It's the awareness of this creative power that empowers us to be the intentional architects of our reality. Belief, emotion, and intent act as alchemical catalysts in this process. Belief is the fuel that powers the transformation, while emotion infuses it with color and vitality. When a thought is infused with unwavering belief and intense emotion, it becomes a potent force, capable of bringing about profound changes in our reality. Intent serves as the compass that guides our thoughts towards a desired destination, providing clarity and direction. Our beliefs and emotions are like the paintbrushes we use to color the canvas of our lives. Understanding that our beliefs and emotions are integral to the manifestation process empowers us to consciously choose and nurture the ones that serve our highest aspirations. In the realm of quantum physics, we find a fascinating correlation with this metaphysical process. The quantum field, a sea of potentiality where all possibilities exist simultaneously, provides the canvas upon which our thoughts are painted. When our thoughts align with a particular outcome, they collapse the quantum wave function, transforming potential into actuality. This alignment serves as the observer that brings a specific reality into being. Consider the power of your attention. Just as a photographer focuses their lens to capture a specific moment, your focused attention on your desires and intentions acts as the lens through which potential becomes reality. This highlights the importance of staying mindful of where you direct your attention. The law of attraction, often associated with metaphysical thinking, posits that like attracts like. This principle suggests that when we align our thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and intent with a particular outcome, we draw that outcome closer to us. It's akin to tuning a radio to a specific frequency to receive a desired station. Thoughts are not linear entities with a single path to manifestation. They exist within a multi-dimensional landscape, where past, present, and future are interconnected. When we focus on a thought, we tap into this multi-dimensional web, influencing not only the present but also potential futures. Think of the law of attraction as a magnetic force that responds to your thoughts and emotions. It reminds us that the energy we emit through our thoughts and feelings has a magnetic pull, drawing circumstances and opportunities that align with our energetic frequency. It encourages us to be mindful of the energy we project into the world. While conscious beliefs are important, our subconscious mind harbors a treasure trove of beliefs acquired throughout our lives. These hidden beliefs often shape our reality more than our conscious intentions. Exploring and, if necessary, reshaping these deep-seated beliefs becomes a crucial step in the metaphysical process. The metaphysical journey is marked by moments of synchronicity and serendipity, where seemingly unrelated events align to support the manifestation of our thoughts. These occurrences hint at the interconnectedness of all things and the role of the universe in conspiring to bring our desires to fruition. Our subconscious beliefs are like the rudder of a ship, quietly steering the course of our lives. By delving into our subconscious and uncovering limiting beliefs, we gain the power to adjust our course and set sail towards the destinations we truly desire. Synchronicity reminds us that there is a hidden order to the universe, and that when we align with our true desires, the universe conspires to support us. Individual thoughts don't exist in isolation. They are part of a larger collective consciousness. Sometimes the collective consciousness can either amplify or hinder the manifestation of individual thoughts. For example, during moments of global crisis or celebration, the collective consciousness can significantly impact the outcome of our thoughts. And paradoxically, detachment also plays a role. Obsessive attachment to a desired outcome can create resistance, hindering the natural flow of manifestation. Balancing intention with a sense of detachment, where you trust the process and let go of the how and when, often accelerates this manifestation. Recognize that you are not alone in this journey. Your thoughts interact with the thoughts of others, influencing and being influenced by the collective consciousness. Detachment, far from being passive, is an active practice of allowing and trusting that the universe will unfold in its own way in time. Some metaphysical belief systems incorporate the idea of reincarnation and karma. In such systems, our thoughts and actions in past lives can influence our current reality. Unresolved karmic debts or lessons may manifest as challenges or opportunities in our present life. This adds a deep layer of complexity to the process of turning thoughts into reality, suggesting that the tapestry of our existence spans lifetimes. Thoughts and emotions emit frequencies and vibrations that resonate with similar frequencies in the quantum field. The law of resonance suggests that thoughts and emotions attuned to a particular frequency are more likely to manifest experiences that match that frequency. Thus, understanding how to raise one's vibrational state through practices like meditation, gratitude, and mindfulness becomes essential in this journey. The concept of past lives and karma invites us to take a long-term view of our journey. It reminds us that the challenges we face may have roots in experiences that extend beyond this lifetime. Raising our vibrational frequency is akin to tuning our instrument. It allows us to play the symphony of our desires with greater clarity and harmony. Visualization and imagination are potent tools in this metaphysical process. When we vividly imagine our desired reality, we not only reinforce our intent, but also create a mental blueprint that can guide us towards that reality. Visualization helps bridge the gap between the mental and physical realms, acting as a catalyst for manifestation. Our external environment, including the people we interact with and the places we inhabit, also can significantly influence the manifestation of our thoughts into reality. Energetic factors, such as the energy of a particular location or the energy of the people around us, can either support or hinder our intentions. Recognizing and harmonizing with these external influences is an intricate aspect of the metaphysical journey. Visualization and imagination are the tools of dreamers and creators. They allow us to paint the canvas of our minds with the colors of our desires. Our environment and the people we surround ourselves with are like the stage and actors in the theater of our lives. Being mindful of these external factors empowers us to create a supportive backdrop for our manifestations. Time is a dimension that adds complexity to this process. Some believe that time is malleable and that our thoughts can affect the rate at which manifestations occur. Understanding the relationship between thought and the unfolding of time is an advanced aspect of this exploration, challenging our conventional notions of past, present, and future. With great power comes great responsibility, and understanding the metaphysical process of turning thoughts into reality carries an ethical dimension. It requires us to consider the consequences of our thoughts and intentions, not only for ourselves but also for the collective and the planet. The realization that we are co-creators of a shared reality underscores the importance of mindful and compassionate thinking. Time is both a canvas and a brush in the art of creation. While we can influence the timing of our manifestations, there is also a greater cosmic flow at play. responsibility in creation is a call to the conscious and compassionate architects, considering not only our desires but also their impact on the world around us. Some metaphysical systems incorporate the influence of cosmic forces, such as astrological energies or celestial alignments. These forces are believed to interact with our thoughts and intentions, either amplifying or tempering their effects. Understanding how cosmic forces intersect with personal manifestation adds another layer of nuance to the metaphysical journey. Individuals often have multiple desires and intentions simultaneously. Navigating the process of manifesting when intentions may compete or conflict requires a skillful approach. Recognizing the hierarchy of intentions and aligning them harmoniously can also be a complex yet rewarding endeavor. The cosmos, with its celestial dances, reminds us of the grandeur of the universe in which we play a part. Balancing multiple intentions is akin to conducting a symphony. Each desire has its own note, and the art lies in orchestrating them in a harmonious composition. Ultimately, this exploration of turning thoughts into reality invites us to transcend dualistic thinking, the idea that they are separate realms of mind and matter. Instead, it encourages us to see the interconnectedness and oneness of all existence. This allows for a more profound and holistic approach to manifesting desires and creating a reality that is in harmony with a greater cosmic order. The unity of all existence is a profound insight that transcends boundaries and separations. It invites us to recognize that the thread of our thoughts is woven into the tapestry of the cosmos. When we understand this interconnectedness, we not only manifest our desires, but also contribute to the harmony of the whole. Humanfluence out.